In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora. Okay, I will show you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Quora. I will show you my method that I use to find people who will be interested to buy those services from my affiliate link so I can earn commission and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this information that I will share for free. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so I started this business. It's almost, this commission took me almost 2 years. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, still making commission with affiliate links, and this is my commission. So for people who are new to this business and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for this website, search for Quora. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Quora is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to your Fiverr home page like this. So now I will share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Quora. I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Quora, and I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so click on the search and search for build e-commerce website Shopify. Okay, or search for e-commerce. Okay, and I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have a good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So you can find a lot of sellers here as you can see. So let me see if we can find a good seller here. For example, like this one, I will create Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify website. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and click over here. Okay, and put this seller profile link here, click over here and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora and click on, so what you will do, click on the search and search for e-commerce. Okay, search for e-commerce like this. It's really easy and simple. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of people here searching for how to make e-commerce websites. So for example, like this one, which is the best e-commerce platform to launch an e-commerce store. Okay, scroll down, what are the best low-cost e-commerce websites? This one will be interested to buy this service. Okay, create Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify website. Okay, so for example, this one will be interested. Okay, so if you scroll down, how can I boost the sales on my e-commerce website? Okay, how do I start e-commerce business? This one also will be interested. So let's take this one for example. What are the best low-cost e-commerce websites? I will click on answer. Okay, and I will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. I will scroll down. I will go to this description about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part. Okay, I will copy this part. I will go to Quora. I will put this description here, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will put my affiliate link here like this. Okay, and I will click on post, and my post, my reply will be sent to this person uh, who is asking what are the best low-cost e-commerce websites. Okay, so this person can be interested. All those people who are searching for, are asking questions about e-commerce, will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service and create a Shopify store. Okay, so if those people, if this one for example is still interested to start e-commerce, looking for low-cost e-commerce website, he will click on this link, this affiliate link. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service, and they will earn commission. It's really super easy. You just need to promote a lot of affiliate links, so your chance to get commission will be high, because I promote a lot of affiliate links. Make sure to check my other videos. I share with you all my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting to earn a lot of commission. Okay, and also promote your affiliate links not just in Quora. Use Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so much more. Check my channel. I share all those methods for free. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.